Today we're taking apart the E36.
For the how manyth time?
I lost track.
Well, we got to be working out here again. What are we doing? Is that the, what's the rear main seal?
There's a rear main seal, buddy.
Yes, it looks dark. We got our own private mechanic. Free labor.
Oh yeah, it's all done.
Alright guys, it's done. Alright, the 436 is... I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know if I can show you down there. Look at that. The transmission is out. The exhaust is all out. Oh, you see the flywheel? Or, yeah. The exhaust is out here. Look at this guy. This whole E36, bro, it's in production right now. So yeah guys, Jose found the source of the oil leak. We thought it was the oil pan, but it's not. Is it safe to say?
Yes, just a matter of time to the...
Yeah, so the next thing we're going to be fixing on this car is the oil pan. Whenever
next
it does,
time, dude.
Whenever the gasket goes out.
Next video.
For now it's good. Oh, let me show them under here.
It's going to be next video.
Damn, bro.
Down for nothing.
What do you do all this for?
Don't mention.
Who influenced you to do this yourself, bro? You should take that to the shop, bro.
Oh, no. They're scammers.
There's scammers at the shop. But yeah, guys, this thing is literally torn apart, bro. You can see the whole damn thing is off. The fuel rails right here. The damn throttle body. But you've been working on it for what, like 2 days? How many days?
A day, bro.
A day. This is all a day's work, bro. You destroyed the E36 in 1 day. Record time. So we're under the car. You can see the transmission right here. He's trying to scrape off the axis seal, but it's not looking too hot, huh?
This is a gasket, bro.
Oh, my bad, gasket.
It got burnt, bro.
The gasket's burnt onto the damn, what is that thing called? What would you call what it's burnt on?
The block?
The block. So it's burnt onto the block, guys. It's not looking good for the E36.
Yeah, we're cooked.
Yeah.
After.
Alright, you guys can see a better look at what we gotta scrape off. You can see it. That's where it sits. So, how long do you think is that? Hey, how much is labor time here, buddy?
Like 6 hours trying to scrub it up. Bruh.
Well, I guess we'll see you guys in how many hours?
15.
15 hours. You guys can see the old piece right here. We just ripped it off, and the new piece is in already. It doesn't have the spring anymore, so I don't know if that's gonna affect it, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Now we just gotta keep scraping away at the piece over there, so we could have a nice clean contact, so it won't leak anymore, hopefully. And then the Drift E36 will be back on the road. But till then, it's gotta sit here. Dude, it's so dirty. The wrap is absolutely cooked, exactly like how the Z is. These cars or both our cars are gonna need rewraps at some point because this got so bad. They just sat for so long. But oh, let me show you guys the angle kit actually. You guys can see the angle kit we installed. Looking super nice, but first we gotta get this car back on the road so we could actually use it, because this thing's just sitting. Alright guys, we got a Dremel and some attachments and a big ass extension cord. Hopefully
I'll put 208 to this, bro.
Huh?
I'll put 208 to this thing.
208?
Give me high speed Dremel.
Alright. Bro, was gonna blow the fucking transmission. Oh no, the transmission. You're gonna blow the block into pieces, bro.
Bro just left it here. I told him to leave it. Look at how scorched this shit from the clutch kicks, bro.
Is it? Show the camera now. Clutch kicks hitting or what?
Just a little bit.
God damn! Hey, do you know how to drive manual, bro?
No, I do.
Bro, look at this. Ah! Damn, who just hit me?
They need a new plywood every day.
Move, bro, move, bro. Guys, rate this chair, bro. You watching, bro?
That way we can see how far it's going.
Let me see, bro.
Bro, seeing the install vid right now, bro. Mid install.
Wow. It's in my car, so I'm gonna assume.
Where'd you buy this from?
ECS tuning, dude.
Let's see if ECS tuning lied to him. It said if his car, we'll figure it out once the transmission is back in, the drive shaft, the exhaust. But for now, we're just cleaning away.
What if I buy one for a manual trans?
What?
My car's auto trans. Oh, originally.
Oh, you're fucking totally. Yeah, safe to say this part's not fitting at all.
I don't think they asked for a transmission, so.
Well, Chewy's down there trying to get the gasket off. But I don't know, we're just cleaning right here. I think he fucked it up already.
Quiet, dude.
Does this look normal, guys? Does that look normal to y'all?
Somewhat.
All the E36 Masters. Does this look normal to y'all?
Looks fine.
Alright. Put a little screw under. Me tiene a little screw.
You're sitting. Well, how did the guy do it in the video?
The screw looks short, bro. I guess it's for it. And you just gonna take that plastic off or what?
I don't know. I'm gonna check the video right now. Oh, I farted. What? Why is it getting coolant right there? I don't know why.
Saps.
Oh,
It's already leaking, bro. It's in though.
It's already leaking.
It's in though.
Should we wait till tomorrow to put it in, see if it leaks or not?
Do the shit to see.
Will it leak though when it's just cold?
I mean, it was leaking before, right now.
Perhaps.
But like from the oil pan, I don't know about that, bro. But it was dry from here, though. Remember?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I guess
Well,
we'll
actually,
see.
it was dry right here.
Uh-huh.
It was just here.
Alright, guys, we're getting this torque to spec
Wait, hold on.
with
Let
the
me
rate
get
of
a little. There we go. Yeah, that's.
Oh yeah, that's
like,
torque.
that's 20 foot-pounds.
That's torqued, alright. So hopefully this thing doesn't leak anymore. So if not, we're gonna have to. Well, he's gonna have to.
No.
Alright, we're gonna have to remove the whole transmission again and all everything.
Mm.
So let's try it out now. What do you think, Jose? You think we made it or no?
Man, I really hope so.
Well, I guess we'll catch you guys when it leaks again. Alright, give them the was it mid-game interview?
Mid-game interview. We got Chewy slaving down there again.
Alright guys, we're exposed right now, bro. We don't work on our own car.
No, that's not
We
true.
hired private mechanic.
This one time. Huh?
What is it?
What did he say?
I don't know, go check, bro. Guys, I think the E36 is non-stop problems, bro. We're gonna have E36 problems for the rest of our life. But I guess we need to keep making content on the problems, bro. Bro, something's not adding up here. Nissan?
Dude, stop. Dude, stop. I wear this shirt every video, I know, guys.
In the comments if this shirt's fire, though.
It's because I wear it to get dirty.
Another problem with the E36. There's a Chase base kit in there.
It keeps leaking, bro. I don't know if
What's it leaking from, though?
From down here, but I can't tighten it anymore.
That's quite strange. I think your filter, or not the filter, the canister's cracked, buddy.
Low key, huh?
Yeah, dude. Bro, I think it's endless problems for real. What were you saying earlier? Unlimited content glitch with this car?
Yeah, it is.
Here you can see the Chase bays, power steering.
Never buy Chase,
Bro's bashing on Chase bays, but yeah, so no matter how much he tightens it, it never
seems to stop leaking.
seems to stop leaking. But I think that's just standard with E36s. They never stop leaking, bro.
Alright.
That's just real, bro. Every E36 owner knows this. He's getting in there. Leave it in the comments if you think this E36 will ever run. Alright guys, we're all done working on the E36 for today. Put a couple hours into it. The rear main seal is in, so that's like the important part. We gotta put back the transmission, and hopefully this car gets back on the road pretty soon so we could drift it with the 350Z as well. Jose's probably gonna continue this project tomorrow, probably off camera. It's just literally just piecing it back together, putting the transmission up, pretty much finishing up with the engine bit. We tried to tighten up the Chase base kit a little bit, see if that did anything, but I guess we'll see tomorrow if it leaked again. But we will for sure update you guys. This was just like such a random video. We just had to do some maintenance on the E36, so we brought you guys along for the ride. But yeah guys, I'm excited to get this car back on the road. You know, it hasn't been out on the streets for a while. We need to go get it like pretty much registered again because it's been sitting for so long. And I'm driving the Z a lot more now, so Hopefully we can get some like drift clips, some seat time, and all that with the cars together. They both definitely need a rewrap though. the wrap is so bad on both of them, but hey, they're drift cars like we like to say. So stay tuned for more content on both cars. Once they're up and running, it's a wrap, bro. We're gonna be posting a lot more. All right, guys, for all the C6 subscribers, drop a like. All right, guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. It's a bit of a, is it short? I don't know. I don't know if it was short, but we're gonna go grab some food. We're in the C6 right now. What do you gotta say to your peeps, bro?
We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Get us 900 subscribers, and we out.